Here are the S23 Clutch and Variator kit that I got from Scooter Swap Shop. I'm going to get these installed on my Honda Navi today. But instead of doing a traditional step-by-step installation video, what I'm going to do for you guys is just a before and after performance video of the stock versus the S23 performance parts on my Honda. So let's get started, guys. So before we do some work to the Navi, I figured why not do a little speed test. We're gonna go up this slight hill. What better way to see the Navi's upgraded performance than doing a before and after of going up a hill. All right, let's get started, guys. Now that we installed the variator and the clutch, we're back here and we're going to drive up this hill and see how much the Navi has improved. Let's do this. So I hope you guys enjoyed those clips. And let's ask the big question here. Is this worth it? Is it worth me spending a couple $100s to make my Honda Navi go fractions of a second faster from 0 to 30 and 1 or 2 seconds faster going from 0 to 40? And for me personally, yes, it was worth it because I'm going to do a lot of city riding with my Honda Navi, and it's important for me to keep up with other vehicles on the road. So for me, yes, these parts were worth it, but your case might be different. Your dollars might be better spent getting other performance parts or doing other mods to your Honda Navi instead. Also, as you can see, this kit came with extra rollers and clutch springs. What I'm going to do, I think, in my future videos is mess around with them and see which combination works best for me. If you guys want to see those videos, please let me know. Leave a comment below, and I'll try to get those out as soon as I can. Also, please like this video if you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel, as I'm going to try and post more videos on my Honda Navi and other Honda vehicles that I have. Thank you.